Hello, welcome to you in this video. Uh, in this video, I'm going to share a solution of Divi theme. Recently, I am developing a website for my client using Divi themes. So, then I face a problem. That is that I wanted to remove this sidebar. I don't like sidebar here in the single product price. So I thought I get the solution in theme option, but I don't get actually it in the theme option. That's why I searched in uh, internet or Google, then found a way to how to remove this sidebar. Okay, so I like to share this as a freelancer, and I like share this with you so that you, if you face this type problem, then you can so that you can easily fix this without any developer. If you are a uh, designer or site Div user, so let's get started. So how I do this or how I fix it. So okay, so you have to go to your cpanel, then file manager, click on the file manager. So after going to file manager, you go to the wp content folder, then theme, then your theme db. So I am in my theme db, then open functions.php file. So here is my function.php file. So then I just put a code here. Of course, I will share this code with you in the video description. So here is the code. So my code started from here and end here, but I don't add this because this already added in the uh, functions.php site. So I just copy from here and copy this, just copy, then I plug fast is in the bottom of the function.php file, paste it, and now I click on the save change. Okay, so save changes. So I check now. Oh, it's working. So I hope you can fix this problem without yourself. If you watch this video, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share with others. Thank you. So I'm going to save.